Hello, everyone. I'm pretty sure you've heard of Clickfunnels, Russell Brunson's Clickfunnels, and if you've done anything online, I'm sure that you've come across Clickfunnels. I'm pretty sure that you've heard about how ClickFunnels is number one. They've been around probably the longest. Uh, Feel free to try the 14-day trial with ClickFunnels. You see the video playing in the background. You can see that's Russell Brunson. He's the founder and CEO of ClickFunnels. And their model is you're just one click, one funnel away from success. So, like I say, come on and join ClickFunnels with me, and let's let's start creating that email list and start marketing to everyone and learning more and more about ClickFunnels and how you too can be successful. Um, like this is let's see, $97 and $197. It costs to do the price of doing business. It's cost, and it's worth it. Like I said, it will definitely help you in your business and help you getting sales and leads and taking you to the next level. Because we have some of the best helping out with this project. Now, if you're interested in ClickFunnels, check out the description, check out the link down below, and let's go there.